Imagine discovering a life-saving medicine in months instead of years. Imagine pharmaceutical factories predicting machine failures before they happen. Imagine medicines reaching the patients faster with almost zero wastage. Yes, it is possible by AI. Imagine artificial intelligence is no longer a science fiction. It is transforming the pharmaceutical industry by making drug discovery faster, factories smarter, and medicine discovery more efficient. Let's see how AI is going to change the future of healthcare. Additionally, that is, the old system of development of medicine can take 10 to 15 years. But now AI can analyze millions of chemical compounds in short time, helping the researchers to identify promising drug candidates much faster. This means the patients may receive the life-saving treatments as soon as possible. AI also makes pharmaceutical factories smarter. It monitors machines continuously and predicts the equipment failure before they are going to happen. This reduces the downtime, improves the production efficiency, and helps in maintaining the consistent product quality. And another benefit is faster delivery, less wastage. AI also predicts the demand for medicines in different regions. This helps the company to manufacture the right quality and the right quantity to deliver the medicines wherever they are actually needed the most. This is going to reduce the shortages and minimizing the wastages. AI also helps in maintaining the quality of the medicines. How means it can inspect tablets, capsules, and packaging using smart cameras and detect even the smallest defects that the human eye might miss. This improves the patient safety and reduces the product recalls. AI also reduces the clinical trial time. So, clinical trials are one of the longest stages of drug development. AI helps researchers to identify suitable patients, analyze the medical data, and monitor the trial results faster. This can reduce the time needed to bring new medicines to the market. AI also supports the personalized medicine. Every patient is different. AI can analyze the person's genes, medical history, and health records to help the doctors in order to choose most effective treatment with very lesser side effects. This approach is known as personalized medicine. Discovering new medicines to improving manufacturing, quality control, clinical trials, and personalized treatment. So here the artificial intelligence is revolutionizing every stage of the pharmaceutical industry. The future of pharmacy is not just digital, it is intelligent.